Hey, and welcome to Just Chevy Trucks. What we've got today is Dave Colburns L92, I believe, or LS3 engine, LS3 family. What we did was we took all the truck accessories off, converted it to car accessories, and we had Mike, who has been working for the past couple of days, reworking the harness so that it would work for the car accessories. When we do that, what happens is the harness back here comes out the rear instead of the front, makes it a little easier to hide, and it's also how it's supposed to be run. So he had to do that for it. So I'm gonna have Mike fire it up, give it a couple of little revs. We've got it all warmed up, but we don't have anything hooked up because he has the brackets and accessories. So go ahead, Mike, give it a couple of revs.
Got great oil pressure, Dave.
Great oil pressure, Dave. We're gonna get this thing out of the run strand, drain out of the fluid out of it, and get it shipped out to you, bud. I'll get this video over to you shortly.